What's up YouTube? What's up y'all? My name is Ravi Bright Jones and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so judging by the title, you know I'm about to give away fonts, right? Okay, so this is 6 fonts you need in your designs in 2022 part 2. Yes, so I'll be doing this more often because you guys, I don't want to keep the fonts to myself, you understand? So yeah, okay, so font number 1 we have Race Sport, and mostly Race Sport can be used for like sports designs, anything that has to do with sports, basketball, football, soccer, rugby, anything, you understand? Yes, so I'm just going to put one thing that I used the Race Sport for, so you guys can see what it does. Okay, moving to number two, we have Stretch Sans. Stretch as in STTREC. Wait, hey, so I don't know how to spell. Jesus. STRRETCH. Ish. Yes, come on, Stretch, Charlie. Okay, so Stretch is basically the font that gives you that type of let's say we have S as normal, T as normal, then E as very stretchy, you understand? That's the kind of font we're talking about, and you can use that for mostly cover ads, concert designs, flyers, anything that you want to go with. Stretch is going to do it for you. Stretch Sans. Okay, now number 3 we have Scarlett Bussiat. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation for the name, but it says Scarlett Bussiat. That's number 3. And Scarlett Bussiat is more like scribbles type of font, you understand? You can use it to put in names, like after you're done with doing a design and you want to put the person's name somewhere, you just use the Scarlett Bussiat to put down the person's name, and it's very dope. This is one work that I used the Scarlett Bussiat in. Yes. Okay, moving on, we have number 4 at Brolimo. So Brolimo is more like a cool font that you can use for like how do you call it, church flyers, and I don't know, depends. Mostly we can use any font for anything, but then sometimes you should know the kind of fonts that you can use for stuff, you understand? Yeah, so Brolimo got you in any type of work that you want to do, you understand? Yes, let's move on to number 5, and you have Ginger. The name is kind of sweet though. Ginger Kakadru. Let's show. So Ginger 2 is a dope font. I used Ginger once for a crossover design. This is how it turned out. It was dope. I love it. So this is Ginger for you guys. Ginger is cool. And yes, let me remind you something. The main reason why I'm not putting links down here is because you people are not going to watch the video. I need you to watch the video to the last font, you understand? So that I can also get my views. So as I'm mentioning the name to you, as I'm saying the names, you just open your browser, type in download Ginger, download Brolimo. You're going to get fonts. It's on the font is on 101 fonts. Is any font website, you're going to get it there. So yeah, that's the main reason why I'm not putting the link down. Now let's move on to the last font, and we have Good Dog. Good Dog is a dope font. You can use Good Dog for food designs, like restaurant types of thing, you understand? Let's say a pizza design. You've done a very nice pizza work, you just use Good Dog to type in the company's name, something like that. It is very cool, it is very dope. Yeah, so that is Good Dog for you guys. Okay, so one thing, you guys can see me in this Cocoa Chills. Okay, you understand? There's something coming on. Something dope. You know, I always got things going on. I got things going on, fam. Understand? So yeah, that'll be the end of the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you. No, let me say it again. I'll make sure to see you in the next video. Bye bye.